Kasun. Hi, people. Welcome to today's webinar. This is Jenna from C Studio, Partnership and Marketing Manager from C Studio, in charge of the Edge IoT business. So at the very first, I'm super happy to have Umberto with us, the co-founder and originator of FUXA, which can also be named as Franco team. So hi, Umberto. You want to introduce yourself with some sentence?
Hello, I am
Hi.
Umberto Macelli, a software engineer based in Switzerland. Over the past 20 years, I have the opportunity to work across diverse sectors, including automotive, payment system, and automation. My focus has been on developing control platform, particularly in SCADA and HMI development, where I have honed my skills.
Okay, so we are super happy to have you here today. Actually, Umberto have over 20 years experience across different industries, and I know you originated FUXA and open source it, and again more than like 2,000 stars in the GitHub. So that's also why we are so easily to approach to it and made it deployed with our hardware. So next, Kasun, hello, our application
Hello.
engineer from C Studio. So please introduce yourself also with some sentence.
Yeah, so I'm Kasun, and I'm an application engineer at Seed Studio. So my background is electrical, electronic, and engineering and computer science. So I'm responsible for Raspberry Pi related products and their applications. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So and next, let's dive into today's topic: IIoT, SCADA, and open source synergy with Raspberry Pi HMIs. So as we all know that in this digital age, the transformation and upgrade of the industrial sector have become increasingly important across industries, right? So in today's webinar, we will primarily discuss how to combine our open source hardware, Raspberry Pi powered HMI terminal DM with FUXA to drive digital transformation and upgrade in the industry. And yeah, so I think today we will witness the power of the open source community here. So today, I think the takeaway for people will be, firstly, I will give a brief introduction of C Studio's role in the Raspberry Pi ecosystem and our role today. I will start today with Terminal DM, and then Umberto will introduce a bit about the FUXA, including its architecture and how to leverage it for industrial automation and data visualization. And then Kasun will demonstrate how to apply the combination of Terminal DM and FUXA in real engineering projects, showcasing the potential of this collaborative application through practical examples. Let's get started. Firstly, I think people know that C Studio has been working in the Raspberry Pi ecosystem since 2018 and has great experience in hardware design and manufacturing over 14 years. So we are certified as a Raspberry Pi approved reseller and also design partner for years. We also provide off-shelf Raspberry Pi official boards and also Raspberry Pi powered edge devices and also customization hardware solutions to people. Our product roadmap includes like routers, gateways, and HMIs for various industries. Also, we teamed up with a lot of awesome partners to make more things happen. By working together, we supercharge our strengths and unlock the exciting potential of our devices for industries. We've got cloud partners like AWS, Edge visualization like Narrow, and also SCADA software collaborators like FUXA and Machine Chat in our corner. So thanks to all these valuable partnerships with our hardware devices are bringing more possibilities and power to the table across industries. So yeah, so while and also our devices are applied across different industries like smart building, like manufacturing, like security, a lot of different industries. So yeah, and when we mention Raspberry Pi, we also talk about community, right? So C Studio are closely engaged in the Raspberry Pi and open source maker community. we host a lot of contests, project sharing, webinars, meetups, and so on. And also, people know that we are the host of the Maker Fair Shenzhen, and there we gathered a lot of makers and people to discuss and explore Raspberry Pi. So, all right. So here next is the introduction about our Terminal DM. Actually, we launched it as our advanced version of open source HMI based on Raspberry Pi last year. This product is a real powerhouse supporting a larger 10.1-inch IP65 front panel and also supporting multiple communication interfaces such as 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, BLE, RS485, and so on. And it is also equipped with a rugged design and perfect for a tough environment working. So, and also we teamed up with industrial software partners like AWS, Narrow, Machine Chat, and FUXA to take the Terminal DM to the next level. Together, we have added fantastic features like data acquisition, visualization, SCADA, and even cloud connectivity to Terminal DM, and making it an ideal choice and easiest to start solution for industries. So I think based on all these introductions, now you might have a better understanding of C-Studio's deep involvement in the Raspberry Pi IoT devices ecosystem. So now I think I will hand it over to Umberto to introduce the open source SCADA project FUXA. So Umberto, I think you might have some slides to share, right? So I think you are muted.
Yes,
oh,
yes.
yes, great.
Okay,
so
yes.
I will stop sharing and you can start your slides, okay?
Okay, yes, I prepare some things, but yes. Something.
Okay, great.
Yes, what is FUXA? FUXA is a complete platform that helps industry with advances automation features. FUXA offers an extended suite of tools to visualize and optimize industrial operations, to monitoring and control your process, including real-time data visualization, customizable dashboard, and support various industrial protocols. It's fully web-based, designed for small and medium-sized plants or projects. The focus of FUXA is to make the realization of projects quick and easy, and can be adapted and implemented in various industrial settings. And the very important thing is the FUXA is open source that allow you to customize and extend for your specific needs. Let's explore the feature of FUXA. First importance to note that FUXA is a cross-platform software compatible across various operating systems, from small scale hardware like Raspberry Pi to cloud server. FUXA is equipped with all essential device connectivity like MQTT, OPC UA, Modbus, and more, alarms, notification, reporting, user management with authorization, and scripting capabilities. But especially FUXA as a fully web-integrated graphic editor. This means you don't need any additional software, it's all in one. FUXA is equipped with a wide range of controls, continuously enriched by contributions from the community that allow you to create modern visualization easy and fast using the latest web technology. Let's look a bit of the technology and architecture that we have. I have already said FUXA is open source, as well all the component and the technology used in FUXA. The backend is developed with Node.js and frontend with Angular, the framework from Google. The project and the settings are saved in SQLite. DAX sensor value can be recorded in SQLite or in InfluxDB if you have a large amount of data. InfluxDB is a database designed for time series data, especially self-performance. And to ensure the high performant data is efficiently streamed from the server to the client via socket IO. That is what I would like to say. And you can reach the community on GitHub. Maybe I can show you some things a little bit. You see my demo. Okay. This is, for example, I would like to say this is the visualization, and the editor is here. You see, is everything in web, and you can move your device, add some things, your controls. Another one that is diagram. I would like only to say that is all web. Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you, Umberto. FUXA is really remarkable and easy to use. All of these are web-based, so it's really easy for people to get started, right? So and we also appreciate your efforts in bringing to us, and especially open sourcing it, allow more people and even enterprises to learn and use it for free. So thank you, Umberto. So next, so how exactly can FUXA and our fully open source Raspberry Pi powered HMI terminal DM can be deployed in practical applications in IIoT to benefit users? So next, we will invite Kasun, our application engineer, to showcase his demos and solutions. So Kasun, I think you also prepared some slides, right?
So thank you, Jenna. Thank you, Umberto. So for the next half of this webinar, so I would like to discuss why open source hardware and software such as free terminal DM and FUXA can enhance the orchestration on your plant. So why terminal DM and FUXA is suit for next generation industrial plants, and how to interact with FUXA and create a fully functional industrial grade dashboard from scratch. So imagine your automation plant having different devices communicating in various protocols. It's similar to different nationalities speak in different languages. So when you need to view or manipulate the data from this device, you might encounter several issues. Some protocols may not match with others, leading to section in the plants running different protocols from PLC to nodes, HMI to PLC, and PLC to nodes like that. So if you are considering updating your plant with a data-oriented approach or building a modern data-driven automated plant from scratch, you might feel some trouble when you choosing hardware and relevant software tools. So this design process could end up costing significant budget if the devices and software tools are not selected carefully. With the new technology emerging every day and new generation of the workforce being less familiar with legacy systems, so how can we bridge the technical gap and connect all devices into one hub? So let's explore what books are provided. So this part also described by Umberto. So I won't dive into too much deeply, but you will notice FUXA supports many protocols such as OPC UA, S7, Modbus, TCP/RTU, MQTT, Web API, BACnet. So your plant may run several different protocols, and to connect all these to central location, you will need a HMI panel with rich connectivity that can easily upgrade to the latest technologies such as 5G, LoRa networks. So likewise, that's where the terminal DM comes into play. So with rich connectivity of wired and wireless industrial protocols, you can easily stay in touch with in your plant remotely. So let's take look at the demo. So what I have prepared for you. So I have a PLC that supports Modbus, TCP protocols as well as S7 protocol. For this demonstration, I'm choosing Modbus TCP. So you will see the PLC and reterminal DM communicating with each other. And there is wireless MQTT protocol connected to field sensors like temperature and ultrasonic level meters. For this demonstration, I have designed my own setup, but you can buy MQTT support industrial grade equipment from market. So um, another thing that I want to highlight is, so you don't additional hardwares like gateways isn't need to isn't need to run the MQTT server. So so you can run the MQTT server on the reterminal DM itself. So that's why I said the reterminal DM can act only act not only as a HMI but also edge controller plus mini PLC. So another noteworthy aspect that I want to highlight: IP addresses are not in the same domain. You can see that, but this doesn't matter with reterminal DM. If your plant has several departments with several protocols, you can still utilize reterminal DM for edge controlling capability. So I have connected couple of actuators to PLC and programmed with basic ladder logic, and I will explain that in later. So okay, let's connect some devices using FUXA. So before that, you might be wondering, so how to install FUXA into reterminal DM. So we have provided step-by-step wiki about how to install FUXA in reterminal DM. And also you can find some facts that is related to this webinar, like how to select the tags, how to add the devices, how to bind those tags to the shapes or controls or engineering processing units. So likewise, these are described in here. So I would like to invite you to watch this wiki leisurely. So yeah, let's go to our FUXA, and you can I'm going to demonstrate how to add those things. So go to editor. So in here you can see a kind of setting. So edit project, go to edit projects and select the connections, and you can see I have already connected to two devices, my MQTT server and my PLC. So if you you can see the green light is blinking because the connection is already established very well. So that's nice. And you can if you want to add something new devices, you can simply click on this plus button and give a good name, like appropriate name, like let's say dummy. For this webinar I'm going to MQTT, yeah, sorry, and select the type. So you can see the lot of supporting protocols are here. So Modbus, TCP, RTU, BACnet, OPC, UA. So you don't need to know about thoroughly about codings like heavy network stuff. So you don't need. It's very using friendly interface that provided by FUXA. So you can select MQTT client, then set the polling, like 1 second. So make sure to enable, then give the address of the MQTT server. So then afterwards, you need to give the credentials like client ID and username and password as well. So if you are going to connect with the cloud, you can upload if you are going to like AWS cloud. So you can easily upload these certificate, private keys, and root CA certificate as well. So then you can create a connection between cloud and your FUXA terminal as well. So okay, so I have already connected my MQTT, so I'm don't going to select this time. So okay, so yeah, after that you have what do you call that, connected to the FUXA server, your devices. You need to add the tags. So how to add the tags? You can go to this link and then click on. You can see I have already added two topics that subscribe from my MQTT server. So if you need to add another thing, you need to click plus and just search. Just search. You need to, yeah. So only this time I have publishing from MQTT client to topics to that server. So I have already subscribed these two values. So if you need, so you can just click and subscribe. So then you can see your tag list is updated. So likewise, you can easily add those things, as well as you can publish the values from your FUXA to MQTT server as well. So so let's go to the PLC also. So you can see I have added the internal memory registers as well. So if you need another if you need another memory register or coil or input to add, so you just click here and give a tag name, like I'm going to add some, let's say Q1. So for the Q, for the coils, internal coils, so registers, coil status, give the register type, and also give the address offset. So this address offset is given by the PLC manufacturer. So you need to provide that tag as well. So then you have to click OK. So you will and again you have your tag list is updated in this PLC domain. So okay, so you have now connected your devices as well as the tags as well. Let's go to add some what do you call that? Uh, let's go to add, bind some shapes or controls to that text. So you in the interface you can see there are many controls. So controls means so like output values, bar gauges, and also the circular gauges, buttons. So many controls you can see, and also the shapes. So you can find the shapes as well. And also this part is interest, the process engineering stuffs. So you can see the process engineering also stuffs as well, like valves, tanks, compressors, then mixers. So you can find those things as well. So now for the demonstration, I'm going to bind a bar gauge uh, to the tag. So let's go to add the circular gauge. So here you can find the circular gauge. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to add that thing and go to property. You can see here property. Okay, so there are three designs. So you can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to choose this one. And you need to tag this, you need to bind this tag to this control. So for that, click here. Then I'm going to tag the temperature. Okay, temperature from subscribe from MQTT server. So I'm going to select OK. Okay, so enable ticks and okay. So then we can divide this label into equal space or whatever you want. So I'm going to 20 to 50. So it's my another division. And again, I'm going to select 50 to not 50. It's kind of 100. Let's suppose that. Okay, I don't need this part. Right. Okay, so min and max value, you can set this one. So I'm going to set 100. So my temperature is working on 0 to 100. So you can easily set the zones as well. So for the um, for the user friendliness of this FUXA is pretty much superb. So you can adjust the the warning warning limits and warning warning alarms, and also user interface, creating a kind of user interaction interface as well with these colors as well. So you can adjust these things. So I'm going to 0 to 20, and in another zone, and 20 to 50, another zone, and 50 to 100 is in another zone. So my warning alert is some kind of 50 to 100. So I'm going to change the color into red zone. And so then this one is green, and yeah, so I don't need these things. So I'm going to cancel it out. Okay, so you have created the nice, what do you call that? Nice circular gauge. So, so yeah, so then you can easily press OK. So yeah, okay. Now your bar gauge is not bar gauge, circular gauge is ready. So likewise, I have already prepared a kind of what do you call that? A demo to showcase you how these things work. Yeah, so now we have know how to add the devices, add the tags, then how to bind those tags to shapes or controls. So next, so I will show you how this demo is working. So I'm going to share this one with you. So okay, so right, thing you can see. So here you can see the panel board which I created and make some labels for understand purpose. So you can see the communication between reterminal DM and PLC via Modbus and also MQTT. So this is the what do you call that, reterminal DM. So this is the PLC that I'm working currently now. So this PLC can be visualized, but the output coil is high at current moment. You can see, right? So yeah, so this is the interesting part. So you can see the visualization is happening. So you can see the changes according to the PLC and MQTT servers, that data which is come from plant. So you can see the switches are on and off, then pumps are goes on and off, then mixture is working and offing. Yeah, so valve is open. So okay, so then I press the off button, so it's all, yeah, you can see it's already off. So at the plant, so this is what happening. You can see uh, these things happen in real way. So you can see the mixture is working, pumps are working. Yeah. So yeah, so yes, that's it. It is from my side. So I hope that you got some basic points, how to add devices, how to bind tags and control shapes, and how cool FUXA and reterminal combination. So so you know might have kind of understand how FUXA and reterminal devices become a game changer for your plant. So back to you, Jenna.
Okay, thank you, Kasun. That's great. It looks super easy to start and modify the whole process, and the dashboard is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, I think
So
too. Bravo, Kasun.
yeah,
Yeah.
bravo.
Okay.
So so we have also provided the get started wiki of the FUXA integrating on the reterminal DM on our C Studios wiki platform, right? And yeah. Yes, great. And we have also attached the wiki link downside the YouTube channel, and people can click into that and can check that. Okay. So yeah, and a huge thanks to Umberto and also Kasun, and for bringing so inspiring sharing and demonstration for us. Yeah, so great. So and yeah, people we have also seen from Umberto's introduction and also our Kasun's demo, we can see that with the low code, or we can say no code and a ready to use hardware together, we can create a professional and practical SCADA panel that seamlessly integrates into the real world deployments, right? We can deploy it into plants, into manufacturing, production line, and across industries is widely used. It can be widely used. Great. So so then back to our topic today, we can see that combine this kind of open source hardware like Terminal DM together with this open source SCADA software like FUXA, we can leverage their advantages to bring more opportunities for innovation, and also efficiency, sustainable deployment across various industries. So all right, so great. Thank you, Umberto, for joining us, and also Kasun for sharing this kind of great demo, and all people for joining together on our webinar. And so at the last part, I want to also say that a little bit that we are still working very hard to deliver more innovative products and also solutions to drive progress in the communities and also industries. So here I have also highlighted our marketing portfolio of C Studio for all of you to catch more updates on our new explorations in the Edge IoT and the Raspberry Pi domains. And we also call for more partners like FUXA, to join our ecosystem to collaborate with us and scale up our community and business together. So so people just feel free to reach out to us via email or any other channels you can find us. And we are so excited to connect with you. And again, thank you, Umberto, and thank you, Kasun. So so I think that's.
I will say thank you, Jenna and Kasun and Seed Studio for this opportunity to tell about to FUXA. Thank you.
Thank you, Umberto. I think we can work together more to bring more dashboards, more possibilities to the community, and we can update maybe also on GitHub, and to let more people to witness all of this progress. I think people will be happy to see that. Okay. So thank you, people. Thank you. So I think bye-bye today.
Bye.
Bye.